Namaste. What should be the language for the proceedings of the State High Court? Someone might suggest that it should be English language. Someone might suggest that it should be Hindi language. Well, there are people who believe that it should be the language which most of the people of the state speak. Actually, this is a controversy of such a grave magnitude that recently, Chairman of Gujarat High Court's Advocates Association had to resign from his post due to this controversy. What he wanted was, he wanted Gujarati be adopted as an additional language for the proceedings of Gujarat High Court. Let's try to understand what are the constitutional aspects involved in this matter. There is Part 17 in the Constitution of India, which is about official languages, languages that are to be used while transacting the business of governments, be that central government, be that state governments. This part also provides for the official language of the judiciary, that is Supreme Court and High Courts. Article 348 of Part 17 provides that for all proceedings of Supreme Court and High Courts, English shall be the official language. Means our Constitution has mandated that English shall be the language of proceedings for all the state high courts. But we should not confine ourselves to the reading of only this aspect of Article 348. There is more to it. There is Clause 2 in the same article. Clause 2 of Article 348 provides that Governor of the state shall have authority to allow use of Hindi or any other language used for the official purpose in the state as the language for the proceedings of the state high court. Means our Constitution has empowered Governor of the state to allow usage of any other language other than English that is used in the state as the language for the proceedings of the state high court. But he can do so only with the previous consent of the President of India. Earlier last month, this chairman met with the Governor of Gujarat state, and there he proposed Gujarati as an additional language for Gujarat High Court's proceedings. He might be able to convince Gujarat's governor, but not his fellow advocates. There are many fellow advocates around him who do not want Gujarati as an additional language for the proceedings of Gujarat High Court. When he finally found that he would not be able to convince all of them, he would not be able to let Gujarati become an additional language for the proceedings of Gujarat High Court, finally he resigned. There is one more thing that we need to bear in mind. It's true that Governor of the state has been empowered to allow use of other languages for the proceedings of the state high court, but he cannot do the same thing for the judgments and orders passed by the high court. Means, as per the Constitution, all the judgments and orders passed by the state high court have to be in English.